watched our last video, we said that we would do the next predictions for the World Cup. And here it is. The third quarterfinal, Norway versus England.
England versus Norway.
Now I'm Norway, my brother's England.
Let's
but the
go.
thing is, I want to be Norway because they got top scorer Erling Haaland,
No, you
the
mean
Viking.
okay.
Okay, and then they also got
yeah, pin.
Blue. Anyways, starting the match now, bro.
Okay.
Are you ready to get cooked?
Not sir.
And before you guys,
Not, sir.
and
Actually,
before
yes,
we
sir.
start, like and subscribe, hit that follow button,
sir.
and share this to some of your
Oh,
friends.
sir.
And now we start the match.
Yo guys, I think I'm gonna win the last game. It was rigged, bro.
Wait, rigged. It ain't rigged. Look at my guy, Haaland.
If you win, you're
Haaland.
just gonna
He's
win.
a blue, just
Woof,
like his
woof.
dad. Now he's at the Etihad. Oh my God, that attack!
No
is-
way, I just cooked you so good.
His attack is 120.
No way, I cooked him so
His
good.
attack is 120.
No way. Wait, show me my team is.
Oh hell no! I may be cooked. Wait, let's look at this dude's attack.
Okay, Holland.
I got Holland, my God.
120 Holland.
Then Nusa and Bob. I have Bob. This dude got
Oh,
Kane,
yeah.
Gordon, Anderson, Bellingham, Rice, Saka, O'Reilly, Guehi, everyone.
full team or what?
Look at that team of the year ball. Guys, watch this final. It's on July 12th,
Finals?
quarterfinal.
Yeah.
Alright, now Bob has the ball.
No, you
Bob
mean
has the ball.
semi-final.
Bob still has the ball. It's still Bob with the ball. Bob is absolutely cooking.
Bob, hi Bob, Bob, Bob, Bob.
Bob.
Hi Bob, Bob,
He
Bob.
gives
Bob.
it into Nusa. It's taken by James. Bellingham has it. Wolf comes. Oh, he gets
Sends
side.
him.
Sheesh. Okay, anyways, it's Hegum. He gets cooked. Wolfe gets it back. Revenge. Holland. No, that's Berg. Oh.
Bergie Berg.
Odegaard. Inio.
Edison takes the ball from
Anderson.
Odegaard.
It's Anderson.
Sending 1, 2, 3.
Ryerson is running. Ryerson doesn't.
No, I was offside.
Anthony Gordon is
I was
offside.
offside.
Wait, we're gonna make some changes now.
Yeah, me too. Wait. Game pass, guys.
Let's make
we're
some
gonna-
changes. Guys, okay, guys, I need to bring in Bjork.
Left wing.
I
Why?
need Hanche Olsen in. Okay, and then I need Solskjaer in.
Okay, guys.
Alright, guys, I've completed my thing.
I only did one change because I see I have a 1-2-2, 112 player. My left.
I
wing.
just brought in a
But I didn't
118
have
player from my bench. You're cooked.
I
Guys,
also brought 118 player from my bench.
does any
You're
of you guys know
Yeah.
Solskjaer? Because he's coming off the bench.
Okay, everyone knows Cole Palmer, yeah.
Oh, hell no!
118.
Anyways, guys, Ryerson tries to tackle. It's Bellingham. Ayer gets there. Odegaard gives it into the big man, Holland.
What can Holland do? Ooh, he's trashing on those two.
Okay, maybe he's playing a bit bad this time. It's Anderson, anyways. It's Anthony Gordon. Nico O'Reilly. What a tackle by Holland. Ayer gives it to Ryerson. Ryerson plays it to no one. Anthony Gordon intercepts. Holland tries to tackle. It's over. O'Reilly
Really?
gives it. Ryerson tackles. Ryerson clears. It's given into the big man. It's he's safe.
Bjorlin coming
It's
in.
Haaland. Oh, it's halftime 0-0.
Okay, actually, it's half time. Let me do some changes.
Me too. I need to do. I should have brought Reese in. I didn't see Reese.
Go, let's go.
No, I had 118 left back on my bench. I can't bring him on now.
Why?
He's an icon.
Why?
Check if
Wait.
you have any icons.
What is it like? Who are my icons like Beckham and all of those?
You have Beckham?
No, I don't have any.
I have a Reese. You know the 116 left back for Cap Legends.
No.
Anyways, Ayer. He cooks Belling. Oh. Anthony Gordon.
Oh my
Ryerson's
God,
there.
that was a foul! No, game rigged again. Game rigged.
Solskjaer gives it to Haaland.
Wait, I know what
Haaland.
he's gonna do. He's gonna
He sends him.
What
Oh, no.
you sense them? What he sends them, bro? He's yapping like he did a best kill ever. Like,
Odegaard.
he thinks he's
Ryerson
in. They
into
think he's in.
Odegaard. Odegaard into Haaland. Haaland receives. Haaland gives to Berg. He's tackled by Palmer.
No, by
Cole
Mr. Berg.
by now Saka.
Why am I not
Saka.
sprinting?
Guys, Saka's
Oh my
kind of
God.
overrated.
He's free.
Harry
Wait,
Kane.
wait.
He gets tackled. No, it's Bjorkan. Oh, hell no. Saka. Hanche Olsen.
What am I doing? Like, really? See that?
Berg tries to get tackle. Power! Ayer's there.
Oh my god. Man, I don't like
Now it's
shit.
Norway on the last minutes of the game with the counter
Wait,
attack.
no one is there? Oh shit, no.
Palmer
Counter
into
attack.
Berg into Nusa. Nusa, beautiful ball into Holland. Holland shoots.
Yes!
It's a
Let's go! Let's go!
It's a corner in the last
What did we
seconds of the
do?
game.
We didn't touch anything. No.
It's given. Konza gets it. Rice clears. What a chance for Norway to score in the first goal. But anyways, it's broken. Nyland receives.
Wait.
Nyland passes. Berg is there. Berg into Solskjaer. Solskjaer into Holland. Holland back to Solskjaer. Back to Holland. Holland takes it. He goes to the corner flag. Turns back. Turns side. Oh no, O'Reilly tackles.
My teammates are like not good.
Anthony
now.
Gordon. It's still
I
Anthony
feel like
Gordon.
I'm going to get that.
Berg has it. Anthony Gordon cooks him. Rice.
Yeah,
The
GG.
full time, boys.
It's going to go to
extra time.
Is there penalties?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Rogers is coming on here.
In my team, who did I put in?
You put
Wait,
in,
what did I do?
we put in Rogers.
For who?
I don't know. Nusa.
Wait, Madueke, I have
Into
Madueke,
Birch.
but I don't want to put him in.
Solskjaer.
That's super.
He's running. It's a throw in.
Let's go, Madueke, let's go. Wait, there is no Madueke. Madueke is the best.
Burge is there. He gives it to Solskjaer. What a ball! Solskjaer takes the ball. He's running. He still has it. He's fouled in the box. No penalty.
Yeah, that's what I thought, huh?
Ref!
Why can I not move? I was auto for a full time.
Oh hell no! Saka gets cooked by Bjorken, who
Man, my
clears.
game's lagging. What's wrong? Oh no.
102nd minute. 2 more minutes left
That
on this.
fast is already fine.
Declan Rice coming out for random
Never.
dude is crazy.
Declan Rice is coming in.
No, he came out.
Saka, Bukayo, Nata.
Second half is about to begin. Reece James is on the
We
run.
have a second half.
It's
also?
a chance. No. There's a second half of extra time.
Oh,
15 more minutes to see who is the champion of this match.
What it goes to?
And then it goes to penalties. Guys, if you think this is correct, you think this is a legit prediction, and if it actually happens, like and subscribe.
Actually, right now.
Wharton. It's Berg. Berg is still running. Hanjelsen. It's there.
Gol. İnşallah
Wharton scores
İnşallah
England.
kisahtan
In extra
magwadi.
time.
Golazo.
Skip.
Golazo.
What a goal.
Golazo.
Anyways, Erling Haaland kicks off a losing Norway down by 1. But can they change that? It's a throw for
Let's
Norway.
go, baby.
It's a throw.
Goal. In the 120 minute, the game over.
It's thrown. No one
Actually,
receives
my
it.
prediction
No
will
one
be.
gets it.
Actually, my prediction will be 2-1 England wins. My actual prediction. Like my
Anyways, it's Pickford. In 2 more minutes, the match will end. Norway have one last chance. Can they use it? Haaland. He still has it.
No.
It's still Haaland. He gets tackled by Konza.
Let's go.
It's a
Let's
last
go.
minute throw.
If it's my job.
It's match over, baby. Bro's trying to waste time. It's game over.
Let's
At
go.
extra time. England score. They win 1-0 to England. That's our prediction.
Yeah, GG.
And anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. We already know who is on the player of the match. Saka? What
Yes,
the hell?
Saka is the best.
Oh, hell no.
Saka did the assist and 6 passes, man.
No,
Saka
it
was
should be
cooking.
Wharton. He scored. Oh, anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. This is your boy, David,
And Paul.
signing off.